Today we have a Wantable unboxing. Stay tuned for all the goodies. Today we don't have an ordinary Wantable edit. We have the April Theory edit, which is a special edit that they did this season. And I'm so excited to be able to get one of these. And Aubrey did my edit for me. She styled me. They send a bag with the return address on it, making it easy to send back anything you don't fall in love with and you're not completely crazy about. So that is nice. And we should have 7 items in here, I believe. Let's go ahead and look. Oh, Prosecco and Good Times. Tie-dye. It's long sleeve. Very soft, kind of like a fleece, it feels like. We will try this on and I'll go through everything. As we try it on, I'll tell you the details about it. 78 and Sunny. Nice soft yellow top. I like the arms. Kind of reminds you of those muscle shirts. Nice soft. And it's a lighter yellow color. It's not real bright and bold. Oh, love these. We've got some palazzo pants here. Nice casual pants. The bottoms are pretty wide. Elastic for nice and casual. Can't wait to try these on. Then we have Beach Days. You can tell this is an April Theory. They're getting ready for spring and summer. Beach Day sweatshirt. I'm not much of a sweatshirt gal. And then I got a gift. This is the Wantable, similar to Yeti, coffee cup. Coffee, cold drinks, whichever you want. Straw with it. I can take that to work for sure. Then we have, oh, this is a pretty dress. I love the colors. So the orange blending with the floral, the navy floral. Oh, wow. I'm not crazy about spaghetti straps. I would have to wear something over that. So we'll see how that goes. Shorts, as long as they're not too short, and they are definitely too short. I'll hopefully still try them on. We'll see. They are cute though, aren't they? Size 30, that's usually what I take. And then we have some jeans. A light blue jean. Dear John. Again, wide legs all the way down. Okay, let's try this April Theory Wantable box on. Before we dive into the try-ons, I wanted to come on here and give you a little update. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that this all started with me wanting to clean out my closet and downsize, yet still have beautiful fashion to wear. And I started the videos as a sort of vlog for myself to keep record. And I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I had the desire to upload them. And then when people watch them and like them, it made me want to keep making them. Well, I was out of town last week and this Wantable box came in. I knew I only had 5 days to try everything on and decide what I want to keep and send back the rest. And I felt like the pressure was on. And I had a brief moment of wondering if I wanted to keep making videos. And the thought of not making them anymore made me really sad because I feel like I am sharing this with friends, like unboxing and then trying them on and getting your comments. It just really means a lot. And the thought of not doing that really saddened me. So I am going to keep making these videos. It feels like a sense of community. And I hope you feel that way too. With that said, with the pressure on for this video this week, I've had a thought in the back of my mind about doing my try-ons a little bit differently. And I tested it out on this box. And unfortunately, the things have already been sent back that I don't want, and I'm not sure if it's going to work. What I did is when I tried them on, I was silent in showing you the clothing, and then I did audio over top of it, talking as I'm, watching myself show the clothing. It may work, it may not, but it's too late to change it for this one. So we'll see. Let me know what you think, and we'll move on from there. I appreciate you watching. I guess if I'm going to stick around, if you could like them and subscribe, that would be great. First up, we have this adorable short and sweatshirt set. I love these colors. Prosecco and Good Times. Who doesn't love Prosecco and Good Times? The material is very soft and it's light. It's not too heavy. This is 78 and Sunny, $69. I love the tie-dye effect and it complements the shorts so well. The shorts are Dear John, Northampton in Apricot Crush, size 30. They fit great other than the length. They are a tad short for me, but I could cut the stitches and make them longer. With this April Theory box, I received a free gift. Does it contain wine or water? Who knows? I'm seriously contemplating this outfit. What do you think? Okay, next up we have these wide leg blue pants and this yellow tee. The pants are a bit looser than I would like. And I'm not crazy about the color either. It almost looks like they faded. They are Dear John Audrey Super High Rise wide leg jeans in galactic blue, $105. Then we have this 78 and Sunny boat neck tee in lemon. The material is very soft. I like the sleeves. However, it fits a bit too loose on me. The cost is $49. Let's try it untucked. And then how about half tucked? I do like how subtle the color is. I have a gorgeous skirt from my last Stitch Fix box that this tee might work with. Let's try that. This is the gorgeous pleated skirt that I purchased from my last Stitch Fix box. I love this skirt, but I don't have the perfect top for it yet. So I thought I'd try this tee because I love the colors together. However, I think it's too loose. What do you think? I think it's a no for me. I must say my hair takes quite the beating with these try-ons. Another plus for trying clothes on at home. Now we have this casual sweatshirt and palazzo pants combo. The Beach Days sweatshirt is 78 and Sunny in Heather Cocoa, size medium for $69. I'm not feeling it. Then we have these border print palazzo pants in Red Rose by Easel, size large for $74. Love the color, love the fit and the pockets. They are a little long, so I'm wearing my espadrilles. I want to show you how pretty the colors and print are. The pants are a maybe, very summery. I obviously saved the best for last. Don't these colors just pop? A gorgeous soft dress. It's vanilla bay, size medium for $74. Very comfortable with pockets, which I love. What a great summer dress for many occasions. The only issue is I'd need to wear a specialty bra, maybe a t-shirt bra with clear straps. Just so pretty and flattering. Let's try it on with this blue jean jacket that I purchased from my first Wantable box. If you're out somewhere and it cools off, this would be perfect. I'm leaning toward purchasing this dress. However, with Wantable, I'd need to purchase all 7 items to receive the 30% discount, and I'm not going to be doing that. Well, that's everything for this box. Please let me know what your favorites were, and I'll be back soon with the Stitch Fix box.